Honda Dio air filter replacement. We require a star header screwdriver. So this is the air filter cabinet. Holding a total of 6 screws. One screw is accessible through this hole and other 5 screws are outside. So remove all 6 screws. I already removed. Just pull the cabinet out, outwards and downwards, it will come out. See the old dirty air filter. Take it out and replace it with the stock one. Do not try to clean it or wash it. It will harm your engine. Just simply hook in and close the cabinet and secure all 6 screws. Thank you.